CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. CRMs are the software that help companies maintain good communications and relationship with their customers, vendors, and employees. Salesforce has dominated the CRM industry for the past 7 years, creating a rapidly growing demand for Salesforce skills. A popular job is that of Salesforce Administrators. Salesforce Administrators are critical for successfully using the platform in any business. They work with users to understand their requirements. Then they customize Salesforce to help users get the most out of it. They create custom reports, dashboards, and workflows. Salesforce admins also manage users, data, and security on the platform. You don't need to have a technical background to become a Salesforce administrator. And the starting salary of a Salesforce certified admin is $84,000 to $91,000. Getting started on the Salesforce admin career journey can be tricky, so let's talk about how you can earn the Salesforce admin certification. CRMBase offers an instructor-led short course that you can complete by studying full-time for 5 days or part-time for 4 weeks. It is a fully remote course in which an experienced instructor will cover all the topics with examples and hands-on exercises. You will also get 4 practice exams at the end of the course. Best of all, it is a cost-effective way of becoming a Salesforce admin. Enroll today to start your new career journey.